YouTube, so it's National Ceiling Fan Day. I mean, there's a day for everything. But what we have here is the Home Depot Hugger ceiling fan. It doesn't have a brand, I'm just calling it the Home Depot Hugger. I put it in the guest bedroom because originally there was a boob light and I wanted a ceiling fan in this room. So I put up a ceiling fan. I got the cheapest, well, not the cheapest. This thing was 60 bucks at Home Depot. But, look at that light. You can't see anything. You can barely see the ceiling fan. But I hung it up, and now I have a 52-inch Hugger ceiling fan. Oh, we'll start out on high. This thing pushes good air, and it doesn't wobble. For being a $60 ceiling fan, it's actually surprisingly good quality. That was a weird noise. My globe's loose, I'll have to tighten that. Here's medium. It puts out a good amount of air for what it is. I don't like the cheap pull chains on it though. But I always sleep with the ceiling fan. Ceiling fan running. So yeah, that's the ceiling fan. So yeah, bye.